So many apps now include the option to enable authentication before they will open. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring you to unlock the app using Face ID or Touch ID or your passcode. However, this option isn't available for any of Apple's built-in apps, and many third-party apps also don't yet offer this feature. A workaround that's been doing the rounds on the internet for several years now is to enable ScreenTime. But this solution is clunky and doesn't really work that well in practice. However, with the introduction of iOS and iPad OS 16.4, there is now a much better solution which will allow you to lock any app you wish by creating an automation in the Shortcuts app. Start by opening the Shortcuts app and choosing Automation from the menu at the bottom of the screen. If this is your first automation, you can click directly on Create Personal Automation. Otherwise, if you already have other automations set up, you'll see a plus icon in the top right corner. Scroll down through the list of options and select App. Make sure Is Opened is ticked and then tap Choose to find the app or apps you wish to lock. For this demonstration, I'm going to lock my Photos app. Having selected your apps, click Done, followed by Next. Now we need to add an action for when the app opens, so click on Add Action and search for Lock Screen. Having found it, tap it to select it and again choose Next. Finally, you want to disable the option to Ask before running and confirm your choice by clicking Don't Ask. You also want to make sure that Notify when run is also disabled, and then to complete the setup process, click Done. Your personal automation shortcut is now complete, and if everything works correctly, the next time you try and open any of the apps you included in the automation, it should trigger the lock screen before opening the app. So if I try and open my Photos app, you can see it locks my phone, which then unlocks using Face ID and I can swipe up to access my photos. I do the same thing on my Mac, but rather than using the Shortcuts app, I use a nifty third-party app called App Locker. Once installed, when you first open App Locker, you'll be prompted to create a password to unlock your apps. If you have a Mac that supports Touch ID, you can enable this option here. Or for a small fee, you can upgrade to use both Bluetooth and Network ID, which will unlock your apps automatically when a specific Bluetooth device is connected, say your phone or your AirPods, or when your Mac connects to a certain network, say your home or work Wi-Fi. Click on the menu bar icon to access App Locker. I recommend enabling both these options and then click on the plus icon to start adding the apps you wish to lock. Having selected your apps, close this window and you're all done. If I again click on the App Locker icon, you can now see I have my Photos app included, so that when I next try to open the Photos app, I'm prompted for my password. So that is how to lock any app on your iPhone, iPad and Mac. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hitting subscribe for lots more quick tips on all your Apple devices. And you might also be interested in learning about a security risk that is affecting all iPhones and iPads, or an easy way to share your Wi-Fi password securely. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thanks very much for watching.